Hello friends, glad to meet you again. I am Matthew Adaganil and my channel name is Language and Life Coping Skills. Today I'd like to speak to you about some of the books I have written. I'm a former professor of English. I've written some 9 books and practically all of them have relevance to our channel theme. So let me give you a brief overview of each of those books. The first one is named Intimacy with English. It is published by Better Yourself Books Mumbai and available on Amazon.com. It deals with the nature of the English language, the contributions of Shakespeare and the Bible, sophisticated social interactions, the nature of English poetry, humor, and some annotated Shakespeare quotes. The second book is a smaller, more compact book called You Can Master English. It is also published by Better Yourself Books Mumbai. Speaks about the right approach to learning English, nature of the English language, skills to be acquired, strategies to be adopted in learning English, and a small section on grammar. The next book I have is called Twin Lamps Unto Our Feet. This is published by New Leader Publications, Chennai. It has got 2 sections, one on Bible and one on literature. It gives you a short 3-page commentaries on key Bible stories and passages in the biblical section, and in the literature section it gives you a concise review of famous works of literature, especially Shakespeare dramas and poems by eminent poets. For orders, kindly contact by email newleaderbooks@gmail.com. The 4th book, its title is A Mirror to Our Times. It is also published by New Leader Books, New Leader Publications, Chennai. It contains a collection of authors' critical articles in some outstanding newspapers like The Hindu, The Indian Express, and in some magazines, and contains a number of articles on literature, on humor, social problems, education, etc. For orders, kindly contact by email newleaderbooks@gmail.com. The next book I have is Drinking Deep at the Divine Springs. It's a collection of beautiful poems on spiritual, social, and other human issues, published by New Leader Publications, Chennai. And it is available for order. Please contact by email newleaderbooks@gmail.com. The next book is Runway to Success. This is a book of guidance for young people, and this is a reprint of the same book. It is particularly suitable for college students and senior higher secondary students as a gift. It has a number of sections on study skills, learning skills, on teenage problems, on social media, on relationship between God and parents, and also a section marriage and career. This is also available for order by email at newleaderbooks@gmail.com. The next book I have is an online Kindle book published on Amazon Kindle. The name of the book is Plunging Deep, a selection of some of my best poems. So this can be bought from Amazon in the online version or in the printed version. The next book I have is called Colors of the Rainbow. Colors of the Rainbow. This is my second volume of poems, printed by New Leader Books, Chennai. They are all contemporary poems on contemporary problems. There are 103 poems on all kinds of life issues like social problems, spirituality, culture, environment, political situation, etc. Again available. Email contact newleaderbooks@gmail.com. The last book I have is Colors of Life, a set of 59 poems, my first volume of poems, published by Arimbu Publications, Chennai. If you like any of these books, kindly order them from the publisher. And if you like my channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you for your listening. Meet you another time. Bye.